Pacific Regional Multiple Listing Service. Creating mailing labels with IMAPP. Congratulations! You've just listed a property in Pasco at 110 Murfield. You've made all the entries in Paragon. Now it's time to get the word out. Let's send flyers to the neighbors around the property so that they know that this property is now on the market. We have an easy tool that we can use. It's called IMAPP. Select IMAPP, and from the search page in IMAPP, we're going to locate the property and create our mailing labels. The first thing we need to do is select the proper search area. From the drop-down window at the top right corner, we want to select Franklin County, since the property is located in Pasco, Washington. Next, we want to enter the property street address, 110 Murfield, and then start our search. IMAPP will then pull up general information about the property, including the property owner's name, a description of the property, the subdivision, value information, sales information, plus it brings up a map that shows where the property is located. We want to send flyers to the people that live in and around our subject property, and it's easy to do using IMAPP. With the map in place, we're going to go to the map settings, drop down to the select map area, select the polygon so that we can draw our area around the property that we're going to send flyers to. Select the starting point on our map, click your mouse, move to the next point on the map, click the mouse. We're drawing the polygon. Each time we come to a stopping point, click the mouse. And when we get back to our starting point, it's going to take us to browsing search results, and this shows the information of all 50 properties that are located within the area we've selected. From here, we're going to create mail labels. In the upper right hand side of the page, click on Create Mail Labels. Now it's time to select our label source. Who are we going to send the flyers to? Are we going to send it to the occupant? Are we going to send it to the owner? Or are we going to send it to the owner at the property address? We're not limited by these. We can also replace the first line with, in this case, owner or current resident, owner or postal customer, owner or resident, and we have a number of other choices. We're going to stick with owner, then we're going down and select our output format. We want to create labels in a PDF format. We're going to use the Avery 5160, which is 30 labels per page, and these labels are available in your office supply stores. And we come down to generate labels in a PDF format. While those labels are being generated, this Next page gives us some information if we are having challenges, how to fix those problems, and we're ready to take a look at our labels. Lower left-hand corner, I have my labels, and there are the labels for all 50 properties. Now, some of these property owners do live out of town or out of state, and the labels are going to go to those property owners, informing them that there's a property in their neighborhood that is on the market. Now you're ready to print these labels using the print process for your computer. If you are using a mailing service to mail your flyers, you do have the option under the Select Output Format to create the labels in a CSV file, which is an Excel type file. Generate the labels in a CSV format. The labels in a CSV format are being produced, and we can now open that and take a look at it. And there's the information showing what you have to deliver to your mailing service. You can download that and send it to them. This is also useful if you are sending your information to your farm, which may be several hundred properties. You can search for properties in a variety of ways. Let's say we're working in the George edition in Kennewick. We come up and change the search area to Benton County. We come down to the subdivision line, over to the far right, go down to the entry starting with G to H. Again, another drop down. Find the George edition and search the map. We have 37 properties located in the George subdivision. We create mailing labels the same way, sending them to the owner in a PDF format for 30 per page. Generate the mailing labels, and you're ready to go. You're ready to print the property or print the mailing labels for the 37 properties. If you have any questions, please contact your local association. The numbers are on the screen.